to the SideQuest.
Hello, friends. Yes, jazz hands. If you can't listen, we're doing jazz hands. Or if you can't,
If you're not watching, we're doing silent jazz hands.
I feel like I need to put a disclaimer. There's 2 disclaimers on this episode. Number 1, it's about 7 p.m. on a work night that we are filming this, so I take no responsibility for the chaos that might possibly ensue.
Samantha also just made us crunchy lemonade, which is carnival lemonade with extra granular sugar at the bottom.
Half a cup of sugar.
So, also take no responsibility for my actions.
Yeah. Yes. And then number 2.
It's called the lemonade clause.
Yes. Number 2, this episode, which, welcome to How to Handyma'am. I'm Emily.
I'm Samantha.
And I'm Arly.
Yeah, we got that out of the way. This episode, I'm going to play a game with the gals here called The Sound of DIY, which is the sound of tools that I have recorded in the workshop, and I can't confirm or deny that they might be annoying to you.
Yeah. It's the sound of DIY.
I think it'll be really fun, but I just am giving you a heads up prior to playing the game.
If your number 1 pet peeve is people uninvitingly playing weird noises to you, you're not going to like this episode.
Yeah, you're not going to like this episode. So we'll see you on Friday. But if you want to see if you can guess along or guess before Arly and Samantha.
And if you do guess before us, you need to tell us.
Yeah, tell us in the comments or email us hello@howtohandyma'am.com or any of our platforms at How to Handyma'am. There's a little mid-episode plug.
How to Handyma'am literally everywhere.
So, we have 11 sounds, but the last 2 go together and they're bonus.
Okay.
And
I'm excited.
Samantha, I'm assigning you to actually keep track of score because one of the side quests we did recently, none of us kept track of the score even though we were competing.
Folks, it's a good thing I know table saw safety. Otherwise, I would not be able to count on my
Reminder, don't wear gloves with saws. Controversial on the internet. Important tip, though.
That's right.
So, how this game is going to work is I've recorded some sounds of tools and some other common things in our workshop. I should have recorded snacks opening because we have a plethora of those, but that is not one of them.
It's like these are Cool Ranch Doritos.
I will play the voice memo that I made in the workshop, and whoever guesses it first gets the point.
Okay.
Actually, we're going to put a little bit of a spin on this, friends. And instead of using those voice clips, we're going to use my brain, and I'm going to reenact the... What are you doing? Oh. Then I'm going to make the noises, and then we're going to have to. Okay. We're going to have to guess.
Let's not say we did.
Yeah.
Nail gun.
Yeah. Good.
Don't encourage her, Emily.
What one was that?
That's you when you have coffee.
Hammer drill.
Oh,
so close.
dang.
All right, we're ready.
I think some of these... I don't know if you guys are going to guess some of these, but...
That was a multi-tool, by the way. So.
Okay. Are we ready?
I think I just won.
No one look at my screen.
Okay.
Tape measure.
Yeah.
Yes.
What?
Oh, I knew it was something.
Yes.
You were doing your, beautiful mind.
Yeah. That was me opening a tape measure, letting it shut. Opening a tape measure, letting it shut.
Yeah, okay.
I totally did not get that. All right, I'm keeping score, folks, with a pencil.
Okay.
Spray can.
Spray
Samantha got it.
Love.
This might be a quick episode, but ready? Yeah, I dropped something. That's not quite it.
I was like, you dropping something. Is it you stirring something in a can?
Pretty close.
Are you dipping a paintbrush in a can?
I feel like...
Play it again.
Okay.
You opening the lid of a can?
Yes.
Oh, I was just about to say that.
These things make a lot of noise I did not realize.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I did put our little mic right up to it, so it's like
It's
like
the
it's extra
audio
loud.
of it.
Okay.
Okay, let's see.
Okay.
I was doing the same thing over and over,
Stapler?
but you would only do this once.
Can you play it again? Oh, putting in a battery.
Yes. Yes. That was impressive.
You pulled that out of your booty.
Okay.
That is crazy.
I feel like you're like going into like Rain Man mode. You're like blah 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 blah.
I'm
blah.
feeling the sound.
Okay.
Okay.
This is gonna get loud.
Maybe it'll help if my eyes are closed.
Okay.
Drill.
Impact driver.
Yeah, it's an impact. This one.
3-2, folks. Samantha is in the
This one I'm mixing something. Whoever guesses what I'm mixing.
Okay.
Okay. Mud. Are you mixing screws?
Yes.
That's what I was like, why are you mixing a can of screws? I didn't think
Like
to
shaking
guess
it or
that.
what?
I was using my fingers
Oh,
like
okay.
a little witch. I was like, boil it, toil it, trouble. Okay, this one I'm hitting something, but you have to guess what I'm hitting the microphone with.
Oh, so you're hitting the microphone with something.
I'm hitting the microphone with something.
Okay. Wood.
Pencil.
Nope.
Screwdriver.
Mm-mm.
Composite.
Nope.
It's like you could be pounding anything
Paintbrush.
on it.
No.
What the heck?
My big fat butt. I'm just kidding.
A paint stick.
No. It's a hammer type thing.
A mallet.
Yes.
Oh.
That was the most hollow. Oh. Oh.
Okay, this one's a power tool. Are we ready?
Okay.
Planer.
Miter
Oh.
saw.
Nope.
Circular saw.
Nope.
A palm sander.
Nope. Getting closer though.
Grinder.
Closer.
Oh, the paint remover.
Mm-mm.
Play it again.
Angle grinder? No.
Nope.
No.
Think of other things that can be used to grind. Maybe small things.
Dremel.
Yes.
Oh.
4-4.
That's why you had it out today.
Yes.
4-4.
Doot, doot, doot. Beep, beep, beep.
Sandpaper.
Okay, bonus points if one of you can guess what grit I used.
Oh, 120.
80.
100.
Oh, we
were on
both get a
either
point.
side
I
of
think
that.
we'll both get a point for that.
Okay, this is the last round.
Okay.
So, I'm going to play these two sounds, and you have to tell me what type of tape each one is.
What type of tape?
Yes, what type
Do
of
we get
tape.
to know
okay.
what is it you're doing with the tape?
I'm ripping it off.
Okay.
But you have to
Okay.
tell me which type of tape is each sound.
I'm
Okay.
ready.
But I'm going to play both of them, and then
Oh.
you give me your answers.
Okay.
Or, yeah. Okay, next tape. That was the tape. Here's the first one again.
Okay.
Here's the second one. That was the key noise.
The second one is painter's tape.
Nope.
The first one is duct tape.
The first one is
And the second one is packing tape.
duct tape. The second one is packing tape.
No.
No?
You had it opposite.
Oh.
The first one was painter's tape, and the second one was duct tape.
Dang it! Wait, what did I say?
Duct tape and packing tape.
Literally the thing I had just said.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Yeah, I said it, and then you went, you know what? I think it's duct tape and packing
I wasn't
tape.
listening. I was trying to summon the spirits.
Wow, we're bad at this.
Well,
kind
you
of.
guys tied.
We tied.
I feel like I did okay. I did pretty good. You have to admit some of the ones I got that,
I was pretty impressed.
They were pretty random, yeah.
yeah, that was pretty
So,
good.
I
Well,
think
friends,
Arly's kind of the winner because the ones I got were easier to get. I was just
Okay.
faster. I got to give her a pity win every now and then.
Thanks.
It's true. Or I'm just gonna be like, I quit.
That's right. Taking my ball and going home.
Well, thank you, friends, for stopping in, and I hope that you guessed some of them, but not as many as me, because that would be embarrassing.
And we won't do this very often, so if this short episode annoyed you, we won't do it again.
Go on to the next one.
Yes, because we have many options.
We'll be a different kind of annoying next time.
Well,
But-
next time we'll bring more of this type of options. Like, instead of 11, we'll do, like, 45.
Yeah,
And then it'll be a super long episode.
3-hour episode.
I mean,
Yeah.
longer is better, right?
Exactly. Well,
Okay, well-
we love you. And if you want to follow us on social media, you can anywhere at How to Handyma'am. You can message us on email with hello at my handyma'am.
Hello
and-
at howtohandymam.com.
Oh, hello at howtohandyma'am.com. I just
Hello
had a
at
stroke.
the name of our business.com.
And reach out to us. We want to hear what you have to say. Get on our website at howtohandyma'am.com. Emily designed it beautifully, and
Thank you.
we have amazing things coming. So just keep following along. And also, if you want to join our Patreon, go ahead and just join and see what kind of crazy stuff we've been up to.
Bye.
Bye. Mwah.